Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Mohammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal Universal School, Haque. Dear students, today we are going to start the topic of annual examination. Okay dear students, so this is our first class from the annual term. Today I am going to take a class of class 7. Today's subject is mathematics and today's lecture number is 1 and our today's topic is exercise 1.2 question 23. Dear students, this question you have read this type of question in half yearly exam also, and I'll solve again this question in our today's class. Dear students, so let us see question 23 at first. What is question 23 of exercise 1.2? Question 23. 384 and 2187 are two numbers. Question A. Verify with factors with whether the first number be perfect square number. It means that determining the factors, we have to determine the first number is a perfect square number or not. Then B. If the second number is not perfect square number, what is the least number to be multiplied to get a perfect square number? It means that if the second number is not a perfect square number, then what is the least number is to be multiplied. It means that by which least number, if we multiply the number, the product will be a perfect square number. What is the perfect square number? Then we need to determine that perfect square number. Question C. What is the least number to be added to the second number so that the total sum is a perfect square number? If the second number is not a perfect square number, then what is to be added so that the total sum be a perfect square number? What is the least number? We need to determine that least number. Okay dear students, so let us see the solution. First question A. As we need to verify with factors, so we have to write here 384, or we can write the first number is 384. As we need to verify this number is perfect square or not, so we can, as we need to verify with factors, so we can determine the prime factors of this number 384. We can determine the prime factors. As this is even, we can divide by 2 1 times, then 1 left 18, 9 2s are 18, 2 times, then we can write here again 2 times as it is even, so we can take 9 times 18, 6, then 2 times again 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 1 left 8 2s are 16, now 2 24, now 2 12, now 2 6, again 2 3. So we can express this as product of prime factors. 384 we can express as product of prime factors. We can write here 2 2 2 2 2, again 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then 3. If we take the pair, again we can check. This is 384. We can divide at first 1. This will be at first take 1 times. This will be 2. 1 left 18. We can divide by 2. That is 9 2s are 18. Then 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 9 2s are 18. 1 left 6 2s are 12. Now again by 2. 46. Again by 2. 24. 24 by 2. 12. 12 by 2. 6. 6 by 2 is 3. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 3 here. So we can express this as product of prime factors. As product of prime factors in this way, and we can take the pair of prime factors 1 2 3. Now 2 left 3 left, as in the expression of 384 as product of prime factors. 2 and 3 is without pair, as 2 and 3 is without pair, as 2 and 3 is without pair, so the number 384 is not a perfect square. Perfect square number. Verified. Okay, dear students. So at first I have determined the prime factors of 384 and I have expressed that as product of prime factors, and I have taken the pair of prime factors, and 2 and 3 is without pair. From this we can say, as here is 2 and 3 is without pair, so this is not a perfect square number, so this is verified. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question A. Now I will solve question B. What is question B? Question B is, if the second number is not a perfect square number, then what is the least number to be multiplied? Least number to be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So we need to determine the least number here. So we can write here at first, as we have to determine the least number to be multiplied. As we need to multiply it, so we have to take the second number at first, and we have to express that as product of prime factors. So we can write here the second number is 2187. I can express this as product of prime factors. So we can write here 2187. Now take 3 times at first, it will be 7, 2, 9. Take 3 times again, 2, then 1 left, 12, 4 and 3. Now take 3 times again, 8, 1. Take 3 times again. Now if we take 3 times, 27, take 3 times, 9, take 3 times, 3. So we can express 2187 as product of prime factors. We can write here 2187 equal to 3, 3, 3, 3, again 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can take the pair of digits here, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. After 3 pair, this 3 will left here. So this is without pair. As 3 is without pair, it means that the number 2187 is not a perfect square number. is not a perfect square number, as 3 is without pair. 3 is without pair in the expression of (2187) as product of prime factors. Product of prime factors. If the number is multiplied by 3, then this will be a pair of 3, and then the number will be a perfect square. So we can write, if the number if the number is multiplied by 3, then the product will be a perfect square number. So the required list number is 3. So the required list number is 3, and then the perfect square number perfect square number will be product of this number by 3, that is 2187 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, and 2 26, and 3 1s are 3, and 2 5, no, 3 2s are 6, 6 5 6 1. So this is the required square number, and 3 is the required list number. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of question B. Now I will solve question C. What is question C? Question C is, what is the list number to be added to the second number so that the total sum is a perfect square number? It means that we need to determine the list number here so that the sum is a perfect square number, as we need to add and the sum will be a perfect square number. So we have to determine the square root of the given number by division method at first. So we can write here solution of C. We can write the second number is 2187. Now we can determine the square root of second number by division method. Determine the square root of second number by division method. So we can take 87 is a pair, 21 is a pair. So we can take 4. Square root of square number of 4 is 16. So this will be now 5 remaining here, 87. Now take 4 to the 8 here. 4 to the 8, you can take 6 times. If we take 6 times, 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36, and 6 4s are 6 8s are 48, and 3 51. So this will be 1, and here is 7. 71 is the remainder here, as 71 is the remainder. So the number 2187 is not a perfect square number. So we can write as 71 is the remainder in determining the square root of 2187 by division method. So 2187 is not a perfect square number. If a number is added to the number to the number 2187, the total sum will be a perfect square number. Then the square root of that number will be, dear students, now listen, if the square root is 47, then this is not a perfect square and here is 71 is remaining, then the next perfect square number will be, so to get the next perfect square number we need the next perfect square root. What will be the next square root? Next square root will be 1 more than 46, so that will be the square root. It means 46 plus 1, that is equal to 47. Now square root of 47, that is equal to 47 multiplied by 47, that is equal to, if we multiply 47 and 47 we will get 2209. You can check the product 47 and 47, product of 47 and 47, that must be 2209. 47 multiplied by 47, that is 2209. So now if we subtract 2187 from 2209, we will get the required list number. So the required list number that is equal to 2209 minus 2187, that is equal to, if we subtract 7 from 9 we will get here 2, subtract 8 from 10 we will get here 2, nothing remaining here. So we can say 22 is the required list number. So 22 is the required list number. So this is the answer of question C. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 23, and question 24 of exercise 1.2 is given for your homework. This is your homework 1 for the term annual. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely. See you again. Till then,